What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm back in Wisconsin once again, right off I-90, and I'm gonna take you guys into Dollar Tree with me. I'm hoping to find even more new items for the week, new Halloween items, new Christmas items. Let's just see what's new. Okay, you guys, so the weekly wow is basically snacks, glasses, DVDs, and I don't know, you guys, are these actually CDs? The Shore, I think these are actually CDs. Okay, and then over here we have a bunch of bags. And I think I have a struggle cart. I actually do. Let's go put it back. Okay, maybe this one won't be a struggle cart. Maybe a little better. Okay, kind of struggly though. We have all of our Halloween bags. A brand new display of the LA Colors Lip and Eye Studio. Brand new. Oh my gosh, you guys, they also have a Fantasy Makers display from Wet n Wild. But let's finish looking at this. Everything is just so nice and neat in here. They have like all the colors and all the options. Here's what we have from Wet n Wild. Basically reds, blacks, whites, orange. We have the lashes with the adhesive. We have the black and white eyeliners. We can also find more from the Fantasy Makers collection at Five Below. Even more Halloween stuff over here. These ones are so cute. The cute plates. Aww. Cute Halloween stuff. These are new. We have Stay Spooky, Trick or Treat. I think this one is my favorite. Happy Halloween. I love the purple. These are also new. Hi.
Hi, honey. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Not too bad.
These are also new, you guys. The Feeling Pumped. Brand new. Brand new. Brand new. Brand new. Which way to the candy? Every week, Dollar Tree just surprises us with more and more new items. We have more and more new Halloween items. We have more and more new Christmas items and even more non-candy little like trick-or-treat items or party favors. All of the Fright tapes. That's a pretty purple, isn't it? All the stickers. The stickers are always so cute. Good little kitty. Aww. These are brand new also. Wow, look at this. And they're plastic. Super cute. Silver. And we have this one. What are these? Little weighted pumpkin guys, or I don't know. And then behind me, we have the skeleton tongs. They feel really sturdy too. Day of the Dead plaques. So many new items. carvable pumpkins. What are these? We have mats, season to be spooky. We have trick or treat. Those are definitely new. We have these little skulls over here, these glitter LED skulls. I like that the mouth moves. Not the little red truck, but the black Halloween truck. These guys are new, or I should say these ladies are new. Look at this face. Even more cute candy totes. Oh, those are really cute. I like that one a lot. More masks. The little plastic bags. The skirts. Even more DIY Halloween items. Oh, these are cute. They're metal. These are brand new, also metal. The witches' hats, the sticker packs, the stampers, the spiders. We have gift wrap. Okay, how much? We get 30 square feet. We have a couple different prints in red and white. We also have white, and plain red. And then we have some brand new Christmas items here. LED activated lights. Let's try one. Oh, those are cute. They're all just one size. These are back, you guys. I bought some of these last year. The dish drying mats. But you guys know what I use them for. Tell me down in the comments or share with everyone else in the comments who might not know what these are best for. These are so much better to use the way I like to use them than dish drying mats. You guys will love it too. 2 packs of bags. Oh, these are really cute. I like the font. Merry Christmas. We have even more over here as well. I like the brown paper bag look. It's pretty nice. Poinsettias. All right, you guys. Well, I'm going to start another video. I'm going to start over here. We have a whole aisle of Christmas items. I've been wanting to find these, and look, here they are. So you guys join me in my very next video. We're gonna look at all the Christmas items and more. All right, you guys, well, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.